that no shops where congregation or gathering of people is expected in huge numbers in areas, we will be extra careful in giving them permissions. However, if shops are located in standalone places, in isolated places, following the guidelines of MHA, we will be giving them permission slowly and gradually. Another area with respect to which detailed guidelines have been issued in this order is with respect to workplaces. There is a separate detailed annexure 1 of this order which talks about the protocols to be followed in workplaces. This order has already been issued by Collectorate to all the workplaces, and I request all the office spaces in Karaikal, whether public or private, to follow this stipulations of this annexure 1 of the MHA order. The guidelines as before with respect to masks, sanitation will continue to operate. Overall strength of 33% has to be maintained by all the office spaces. All non-essential services to be avoided, but all essential services will continue to operate as per the previous guidelines. Another focus of the government and MHA has been on use of Arogya Setu app. Government of India has been stressing it again and again. I have on many previous occasions appealed to people to install this app, to self-verify themselves, and to keep the location and the Bluetooth position in on position. I again appeal to all the people to download and use this Arogya Setu app as much as possible. Self-verify yourself, keep the location and the Bluetooth in on position. I have seen that in government offices mostly a lot of people have downloaded, but in private offices and public there are still a lot of people who remain to download this app. I again request them to please download this app. Apart from that, there are other guidelines with respect to public places have also been issued. The most important of these guidelines is maintaining of social distancing. Government of India has stressed on maintaining distance of 6 feet minimum. Other things like wearing of face masks, marriages, funerals to be restricted, regulated, all these things will continue to be in operation. Another important point which I would like to highlight for everyone is with respect to stranded people. You all must be aware that MHA has issued guidelines with respect to stranded labor, migrants, students and pilgrims. Accordingly, Government of Pondicherry had come out with a portal. The address of that portal is welcomeback.py.gov.in. Many people have already applied on that portal, but there are some people who remain to apply, and we are also receiving a lot of calls from the people. I request all the people to make use of this portal, register themselves along with one ID card, and arrangements are being made to make sure that these people are sent back to their destinations. I again repeat the address of the portal, welcomeback.py.gov.in. All people who are stranded, please register on this portal, make use of this portal, and arrangements will be made to make sure that you are sent back. So in the end, there are two most important takeaways from my talk would be that first, that lockdown has been extended for another period of 2 weeks, and all the activities which are there will be allowed to open in a phased manner. so that Karaikal, which has been fortunate to have no cases till now, in a green zone, remains in such manner. I request all the people of Karaikal to cooperate with the district administration and police to ensure that all the norms of an MHA are followed, we follow social distancing, and Karaikal remains a COVID-free district. Thank you.